Good morning everyone. In this video we see the technique of generation of SSB SC signal. SSB SC means what? Single side band suppressed carrier means only single sideband transmit through the transmitter. Carrier and one another sideband are eliminated. So last video we see the AM signal generator. AM signal generator are two types. There are two types of AM signal generator. One are square law modulator, another one or switching modulator. And DSB-SC signal modulator. DSB-SC signal modulator are also two techniques to generate DSB-SC modulated signal. One is balance modulator, another one is ring modulator. So there are also two techniques to generate SSB-SC signal. One is phase discrimination method, another one is frequency discrimination method. So phase discrimination method, in phase discrimination method we use DSB-SC signal modulator, means balance modulator used for generation of SSB-SC signal. So we need two balance modulator, one here and one oscillator AC cos 2 pi FCT and one 90 degree phase shifter. Okay, so in this point we will see next, making some large. Okay, here for generation of SSB-SC signal need two balance modulators. Suppose this is balance modulator number 1, this is balance modulator number 2. The output of balance modulator is what? DSB-SC signal. So DSB-SC signal number 1, DSB-SC signal number 2. Okay, here we use one oscillator, local oscillator, and 90 degree phase shifter. Local oscillator generate what? AC cos 2 pi FCT. Suppose this is AC, amplitude of carrier signal, FC frequency of carrier signal. So carrier signal frequency, carrier signal are passing through this channel. This is directly strike to the balance modulator number 1 and 90 degree phase shifted wave strike to the balance modulator number 2. So the 90 degree phase shifted signal are look like what? AC sine 2 pi FCT. Okay, so we transmit message signal here. This is M of T. M of T transmit through this channel. Direct M of T without phase shift strike to the balance modulator number 1 and 90 degree phase shifted M of T, suppose this is M of T cap, strike to the balance modulator number 2. Okay, so what is working of balance modulator? It is also called product modulator. Means whenever two signal, suppose signal A and signal B, strike to the balance modulator, input to the balance modulator, then output product of these two signal A and B. So M of T and sine 2 pi FCT. Input of balance modulator number 2 and AC cos 2 pi FCT and M of T is input of balance modulator number 1. So at that point what is the output? Output is m of t into AC cos 2 pi FCT, and here m of t cape means this is 90 degree phase shifted wave, m of t into AC sin 2 pi FCT. These two signals are connected with summer. This is positive, this is negative. The output of summer is, suppose this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. So the equation number 1 minus equation number 2. Okay, the output are look like AC m of t into cos 2 pi FCT minus plus AC m of t का बार into sin 2 pi FCT divided by 2. So this equation generate by using phase discrimination method. So this equation are equation of SSB-SC signal. Okay, so this block diagram are very important. Once again you see the how to generate SSB-SC signal. M of t passing through this channel, one 90 degree phase shifted M of t, second one pure M of t, both connected, both balance modulator are connected with local oscillator frequency and M of t frequency both are multiplied by using balance modulator. Another name of balance modulator are product modulator. The output of product modulator connected with summer. So equation 1 and equation 2 suppressed, then you got SSB-SC signal. Thank you for watching this video.